Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by turning QuickShare on and enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. QuickShare uses both for discovery and fast transfer. Once done, open the file you want to send, tap the share icon, and select QuickShare from the menu. Make sure both phones are unlocked and screen on so they can be discovered. On the sending phone, watch the device list populate. On the receiving phone, be ready to accept. This gets the two phones visible and ready for the connection step that follows. Once devices are visible, choose the correct receiving phone from the QuickShare list. You can confirm the model name to avoid mistakes. The sending phone initiates a secure transfer session, and the receiving phone shows a prompt. Accept it so QuickShare can use Wi-Fi direct for the actual data channel. While waiting, don't switch apps or lock either screen. That can interrupt discovery. After acceptance, QuickShare negotiates transfer speed automatically and prepares to send the file or files you selected. During transfer, you'll see a progress bar and an estimated time. Larger files take longer, but Wi-Fi Direct keeps speeds high. When the transfer finishes, you'll get a confirmation. Open a received photo or file to verify it saved correctly to gallery or downloads. If something goes wrong, the most effective single fix is to toggle QuickShare visibility off then on both phones and retry the send. That forces rediscovery and usually clears any transient Bluetooth or discovery glitches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.